Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to show you how to create a cute DIY fruit tray for your kids. Not only would this fruit tray idea be adorable for your kids for an after-school snack, but it would also be fabulous to take to a party or to make for yourself for a date night. As much as I love creating beautiful spaces, I love to play with creating beautiful food, and this fruit tray is no exception. I've partnered with Mini Babybel to put together this really adorable snack tray. You can make it as complicated or as simple as you want. You don't have to go totally Pinterest mom on this project. However, I like to add a few little adorable touches just to make it extra special for my kids. Let me share with you how to make this adorable DIY fruit tray featuring the legendary taste of Mini Babybel. And then make sure to check out the description box below to see how you can win 1 year's supply of Mini Babybel.
So I like to grab whatever fruit is on sale or in season, so that's what I'm using here. I am starting with this mini watermelon and just cut it up in about 1 inch thick slices with a nice sharp knife. And then I found these adorable small little cookie cutters at the craft store, and I'm just using them to make these adorable little heart shapes in the watermelon. This is a really simple way to make a fruit look really cute and special. I'm doing the same thing with the cantaloupe, so I'm cutting it in about 1 inch thick slices and then using a different shape of mini cookie cutter to cut out small shapes in the cantaloupe. So I did hearts for the watermelon and I'm doing flowers for the cantaloupe. If you're worried about waste, you can just eat the extras yourself while you're working, which is what I usually do, or use the extras to make a fruit salad. Next, I'm taking some kiwi and chopping that up again into 1/2 inch to 1 inch slices and using the same cookie cutter to cut the little shapes. You don't have to cut as many shapes as I did here, but even just doing shapes with one of the fruit, like for example the watermelon, will make a big impact on the cuteness factor of your tray. I'm using Mini Babybels in this tray just to add some protein, and because my kids love to open them up and they love the legendary taste. So the cool thing that I found out to do with these is you can take another mini cookie cutter and cut a shape out of just the wax portion of the Mini Babybel. So I used a small heart cutter and cut a heart out of the wax portion. This would be really adorable for a Valentine's treat or a spring treat or something like a birthday party, or just like what we're doing here, a special after-school snack. So to create the tray, I'm just going to roll up some ham slices and arrange them in a little fan shape. This is the fun artistic part of this snack tray, just arranging everything in a way that is visually pleasing and will make your kids really excited to eat it. So I fanned out the meat and I'm just doing kind of a river of blueberries that were on sale at the store. I've added some almonds and some fresh grapes. Another thing to think about when you're making a cute DIY snack tray like this is just to grab the most variety of color of fruits that you can. So think of all the rainbow colors and try to incorporate all of those colors on the tray to make it look visually appealing and also for the nutrition. I'm adding my adorable little Mini Babybels with the heart cutouts up here. And then I'm using finally my cutout shapes of fruit to lay over top of everything. This would also be fun to do in a very mini format for school lunches, so you could create the fruit shapes to place in your kids' lunch. And that's it. That is how to create a DIY cute fruit tray using mini cookie cutters and Mini Babybels. My kids love to eat fruit trays like this for after-school snack, or sometimes we even use them as what we call snacky lunch for an easy Saturday lunch.
Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you liked that little tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what you like to put on your fruit tray. And again, make sure to check out the description box below to see how you can enter to win a 1-year supply of Mini Babybel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. See you next time. Bye.
I am Mr. Pac-Man.
That's funny.